Dear viewers, I am Noman Gazi. In this video, I'm going to show you some important setting of your Android phone. That's about how to pinning screen. So I'm going to show my Android phone. This is Huawei Y5 model. So I'm going to show from that. Firstly, go to setting from your Android phone. Click on setting. Go to security and location screen lock. Click on here. Go to down. You can see the screen pinning options. It is off now, so I'm going to make it on. Just click on here and press this button to make it on. So now the screen pinning has been on. Okay, press the overview button. You can see this is the overview button. Click on here. Okay, there is 3 background: YouTube, Clean Master and LinkedIn. So now I want to make it pin the LinkedIn page. So you can see the icon. Just click on this icon. So after I click, I can see there is 2 options. This is the back button and this is overview button. So once you want to make it off, you have to press this both button together to make it off. So just I want to make it on now. Just click on got it. Yeah, the screen pin. Okay, click on this on the button, the back button. You can see you can't out from this page. Once you want to go out from this page, just click on this both off button together, overview and the back button. So now I'm going to make it off. So press this both of button. It has been off now. To make sure, I'm going to show you again. Press the overview button. Okay, first I have show you the LinkedIn page, so I don't want LinkedIn, just Skype. Now I want to make it pin Clean Master. So same, you can see the icon of this pin. Just click on here. Got it. Okay, now it has been on. Click on the back button. So you can go out from this. So to go out from this, this both of button, same like before, together. Just press. Okay, it has been off now. Okay. So now I will show you from setting how to make it off. Go to setting. Go to down, security and location. Click and just go to screen pinning option. It is on now. Okay, so from the setting, okay, so I will off it now. Just click on here, screen pinning, this button. Okay, now so the setting has been off now. So guys, this video this much. Come back soon, take some new setting of your Android phone. To get update with me, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video.